This video will provide a general installation overview for your golf cart kit in 5 simple steps. We'll review our parts and components, install the bus bar, install the batteries, install the capacity meter, and lastly go over charging your kit. The applicable models include the following. Keep in mind, the charger will vary depending on your kit, but the installation will remain the same. Let's start with our parts and components. In this video, we'll be using our 2-eagle kit as an example. This kit comes with 2 of our eagles, a bus bar for connecting all your cables in one central location, a battery capacity meter so you can always monitor the status of your battery. You'll also receive 1 BB175 to ring terminal cable per battery and an extra cable for the charger, 2 sets of mounting brackets for an extra secure installation if needed, and lastly, a charger specific for your battery kit setup. Now let's move on to our bus bar installation. So our first step is to install our bus bar. Look around your cart's battery tray and identify where your main positive and main negative are. Install your bus bar in a location where both of the cables can be comfortably connected to your bus bar. Using the hardware provided, secure your bus bar to your battery tray. Next, we're going to connect all of our cabling to our bus bar, making sure we're always connecting the positive ring terminals to the positive end of the bus bar and the negative ring terminals to the negative end of the bus bar. For now, you can let the 175 ends of the cables rest in your cart. Make sure you tighten the bolts on your bus bar with a wrench, ratchet, or other appropriate tool. Next, we'll install our batteries. Now we'll be dropping our batteries into our battery tray. Depending on your battery model, we recommend a configuration that ensures even weight distribution. With our batteries set in our carts, we're going to connect the 175 ends of our cables to our batteries. Ensure your cables have a secure connection, so if the road gets a bit bumpy, you won't have any issues. When connecting your cables to your batteries, make sure you're unable to see the 175 end of the cable from a top-down view. This will ensure your cables are properly connected. At the end, you should have 1 cable left over. This will be for your charger. Now on to installing the battery percentage meter. Connect the battery percentage meter ring cables to your bus bar. Again, connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. Don't forget to tighten all the bolts for the screws to ensure a secure connection. Snap the plastic cover back on the bus bar. Tuck the cable in a safe place inside of the cart and thread it through an opening in your cart. You can also place the opening where you want the meter to be. Lastly, connect the cable to the display and push it through the opening. Now with our batteries installed, let's show you how you can charge them. The charger you receive will be specifically configured for your batteries. With your spare 175 to ring terminal cable, connect the 175 end of your cable to the 175 end of your charger. Then, plug your AC plug from your charger into your power source. And that's all there is to it. You can store your charger either in your battery tray or leave it outside of your cart for charging. Another method for charging your batteries is to take the charging terminals from your cart and connect those to your bus bar where your spare 175 to ring terminal cable is connected. This allows you to close your battery tray and charge through your onboard charging port. Just connect the 175 ends of your charger and charging cable and plug in, and that's all there is to it. We'll see you next time.